Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making a spice mix called Madras curry powder. This is a fairly hot blend of spices and is available in stores, but I like to make my own so I can control the amount of heat in it. Besides chicken madras, I use it in a lot of dishes, dals, vegetables, and it gives it a really distinct flavor. To make the spice mix, I have here a piece of dry ginger. If you don't have it, you can use 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. I have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and I have some fresh curry leaves, about 10 to 12. If you don't have fresh, you can use dried ones. 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, half a teaspoon Fenugreek Seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 1.5 tablespoons whole Coriander Seeds. I have here about 6 to 8 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, and about a 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick. 2 medium-sized bay leaves, and I have here about 3 Thai chilies. They're also called bird's eye chilies. They're extremely hot. If you need more heat, you can increase the amount, or you can decrease it, or you can use any other hot chilies. I also have here 2 California chilies. These are extremely long chilies, so I broke them into half. They are very mild, but they give a really bright color to the curry. I have heated the pan on medium-high heat, and first of all I'm going to dry roast the curry leaves. They will take the longest, but if you're using dry ones, you can omit this step. I have dry roasted them for 3 minutes and now I will take them out and put them aside for them to cool down while I roast the other spices. Before I start roasting the other spices, I've lowered the heat to medium-low. I'm going to add all the spices to the pan: the fenugreek seeds, the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, black mustard seeds, and the dried ginger. If you're using ginger powder, then you don't have to dry roast it. You can add it to the spice mix after it has been ground up. Now I will add all the rest of the spices: the chilies, the bay leaves, the cardamom pods, the cloves, the cinnamon stick, and then dry roast them on low heat. I have roasted the spices for about a minute, and as you can see, the mustard seeds have started to crackle. So now I will shut the heat off and take all the spices out and let them cool as well. The spices have cooled down and I will take the stems off the chilies before I grind everything. I have added everything to the grinder jar except for the turmeric powder, and I'm going to grind this to a very fine powder. After grinding the spice mix, I'm going to sift it so that we are left with very fine powder. Whatever is left in the sieve, I will put it back in the grinder and grind it some more. Our Madras curry powder is now ready. All I have to do is add the turmeric powder, mix it, and then I'm going to store it in an airtight jar. If you're using ginger powder, now is the time to add it as well. If stored in an airtight jar in a cool, dry place, it can last for about 3 to 4 months. Longer than that, it loses its aroma. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy.